Good day, ma'am. This is the STR of Group 4 entitled Efficacy of Garlic Soap Extract as an Eco-Friendly Biopesticide at Different Concentration Against Butterfly or Lucilia sericata. Introduction. Butterflies or Lucilia sericata are common pests in homes, farms, and food handling areas where they pose risk to sanitation and public health. Although chemical insecticides are often used to control them, repeated use leads to environmental pollution, pest resistance, and potential health hazards. Because of these concerns, interest in natural eco-friendly pest control methods is increasing. Garlic or Allium sativum is known for its strong odor and natural insecticidal compounds, which have repellent and toxic effects on various insects. When mixed with mild soap, garlic extract becomes more effective as the soap improves contact with the insect's body. Due to its low cost, availability, and minimal environmental impact, garlic soap extract presents a promising alternative to synthetic pesticides. This study explores its effectiveness as a biopesticide against battleflies. Butterflies, though pests, also play an important ecological role. Their larvae help decompose animal remains and recycle nutrients, influencing soil health and ecosystem balance. However, they also pose public health concerns because they can transmit bacteria, viruses, and even antibiotic resistant pathogens from decaying matter to humans. General objective of this study: to evaluate the efficacy of garlic soap extract as an eco-friendly biopesticide in controlling and reducing the population of butterflies or Lucilia sericata. Specific objectives: to determine the repellent effect of garlic soap extract against butterflies, to assess the mortality rate of butterflies exposed to different concentrations of garlic soap extract.
Materials and method, experimental design and treatment. This study will use a completely randomized design or CRD. For treatment will be replicated 3 times with 5 sample butterfly per treatment. Treatment, we have treatment 1, control or water. Treatment 2, 10 concentrations of ml garlic soap extract with water. Treatment 3, 20 concentration with garlic soap extract with liter of water. And treatment 4, 30 concentrations ml of garlic soap extract with water. Materials: 10 cloves of fresh garlic, 1 liter of clean water, 1 teaspoon mild dishwashing soap or any mild soap solution, mortar or pestle or blender, strainer or clean cloths, mixing container, spray bottle. And procedure: so number 1, peel the garlic cloves and crush or blend them until finely mashed. 2. Place the crushed garlic in a clean container and add 1 liter of water. 3. Allow the mixtures of soak for 12 to 24 hours to extract the active compounds. 4. Strain the mixture using a fine strainer or clean cloth to remove garlic solid. 5. Add 1 teaspoon of mild soap to the strained garlic solution and mix gently. 6. Transfer the prepared garlic extract into the sprayer bottle for application. Preparations of treatment. To prepare an effective garlic spray for pest control, 10 to 12 fresh garlic cloves will be carefully peeled using the mortar and pestle or blender. The cloves will be crushed into the fine paste and release as much the garlic active compound as possible. The crushed garlic will be placed into the clean container and 1 liter of clean water will be added, allowing the mixtures to set for 12 to 24 hours so the garlic natural pesticide compound will be dissolved into the water. After this period, the mixtures will be strained through the fine cloths to strain, then when added the garlic extract and gently strain mix. The soap will help the spray adhere to surface. Finally, the prepared garlic extracts will be poured into the spray bottle, ready to be used in natural pest repellent. The effectiveness of this spray will come from allicin and other sulfur compound in garlic, which will be strong insect repelling properties. Further study of how this compound work will help improve the spray formulations and use.
So next is we have the application of treatments. To assess the efficacy of garlic soap solution, butterflies are first captured and contained within a clean, enclosed container. The garlic soap solution, prepared as previously described, is gently agitated to ensure uniform distribution of its constituent. The solution is then dispensed via spray bottle directly into the container, targeting the confined butterflies. This direct application allows for observation of the flies' immediate response to the treatment. The container surfaces are also thoroughly sprayed to stimulate application to common landing areas. The treatment is replicated as 3 times, evaluating fly mortality and behavioral change after each application to determine the solution effectiveness. So, data to be gathered: mortality of butterflies, number of dead flies per treatment after a specific exposure time. So, number of dead flies per replication, the total count of flies that died in each bottle, 5 flies per replication. This will be recorded for all 3 replication per treatment. So, result of the and discussion. So, replication 1. In replication 1, the control group recorded 0 death, showing that the solution without extract had no harmful effect. Meanwhile, all treatment with garlic extract result in 100% mortality. So, treatment 2 that have 10 ml concentration of garlic extract caused death in 2 minutes and 5 seconds. In treatment 3 that have 20 concentration, the mortality was in 1 minute and 37 seconds. In treatment 4 that have 30 concentration is the fastest time, that have 50 seconds. This replication clearly showed that increasing the concentration of extract lead to faster mortality, suggesting a strong dose response effect. So in replication 2, result in replication 2 followed the same pattern as replication 1. The control group again had 0 death, confirming that the absence of extract does not affect the test organism. All treatment produce 5/5 death with slightly longer but still consistent times. So T2, the mortality in 2 minutes and 13 seconds. T3, 1 minute and 41 seconds. Then T4 is 59 seconds. So the repeated trends across replication support the consistency and reliability of the extract toxic effect. So in replication 3, also shown 0 death for T1, maintaining the reliability of the control. For extract treatment, T2 in 2 minutes and 20 seconds, T3 1 minute and 50 seconds, then T4 1 minute and 11 seconds. Although the extract times vary slightly, all data consistently show that stronger concentration kill faster.
You have documentation during rearing period. life cycle of butterfly. So first we have the egg, first larva stage, second larva stage, third larva stage, pupa, and adult. So the fly undergoes completely metamorphosis consisting of the egg, larva, pupa, and adult stage. This rapid life cycle allow flies to reproduce quickly, especially in a warm and moist environment. The egg stage begins with the adult female lays egg of the decaying organic matter. This egg hatch within a short time. The larva stage, we have the first, second, and third larva or instar are feeding stage where the maggots grow rapidly by consuming organic matter. As the larvae develop, the increase in a size and store energy needed for transformation. During the pupal stage, the larva forms a protective casing and undergoes internal changes, developing adult body structures. Finally, the adult stage emerges with fully developed wings and reproductive organs. Adult flies reproduce and lay egg, completing a repeating the life cycle. So another documentation during the applying of biopesticide before application and during application. After application, so yes. And thank you.